welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode on FIFA Friday. Next up is the game against Forest. Let's just get a sneak peek where we are standing currently. We are currently 5th. We are above Man United and Liverpool. 5th, not sure if we will take it. 19 points. And the next game is a game that we should win. So will be simming in this game. Only thing that I will change is that we take Lewis Skelly with us. And Moa. So I didn't change anything on the 11, and we win 1-0. Matthijs Tel, again, he's a savior. Against Chelsea, he was really good. Job security updates. Arsenal, they're okay. Stable position. That will be the one team that will leave West Ham for. But, okay. Is there a team that you can declare interest for Liverpool? Yeah, don't want to go to Liverpool. Is there a team where I would go to? Maybe, Olympique Marseille, Paris, Bundesliga. Frauen. They're 6th. Oh, I could go for a team that is 2nd. But when Bayern is 6th, I can't declare interest. Not sure if they will be happy with being 6th. Also not for Milan. Eredivisie. These coaches are all fake. Maybe team in Spain. La Liga. Not even Barcelona. Or 7th. Okay. Doesn't matter. Because you need more games. You're still in the squad. You just played. Okay. Next game is against Arsenal. Another game that we will play. Okay, match day. There are players that I'm going to take with me. Like Goa. Okay, like that. Okay, that will do. Play this match. Because we are going, I hope, we're going to play
well, from the very first
against
day,
Arsenal, like we played
building a team,
against
and the way the fan support improves, he's got everything right so far.
Against Chelsea. And I would sign for a 4-2
and alongside Sue Smith. And a live game from the Premier League on the way. It's Westham United versus Arsenal.
It's a real pleasure to be here. It's been buzzing ahead of kick-off. Let's hope the football lives up to the atmosphere.
Gravenberch, what is he doing with Arsenal? With Declan Rice, Califori, Gabriel.
It looks to be a 3-5-2, a defensive formation with the 3 centre-backs.
Wow, they are Wan-Bissaka. What did they do with this team? Ødegaard still there.
Up and down for the entire game.
Yeah. What was that?
Now can't hold on forever. Leandro Trossard.
Califori.
Played to Gabriel.
Okay, Gravenberch.
When they last played, West Ham were the winners against Nottingham Forest.
Saka.
How do you think they'll fare today?
Yeah, it was a tight game away from home. No doubt they'll take the positives from that. Today could be a very different story.
Gyökeres.
On paper, they do look second best, but hopefully they'll prove me wrong.
Okay, good. Valera on the ball. Jesus Christ. Nwaneri doesn't have it, apparently.
Aaron Wan-Bissaka.
He's playing against his former team, so maybe that is not helping.
Leandro
But
Trossard.
the other game that I played, he wasn't that good either.
Saka.
Maybe he's just not capable on playing as a
Robin Lenormand.
10.
Now with Gravenberch.
Especially now when we have bought a 10.
Martin
It's
Odegaard. Played to Gabriel.
so if Nwaneri doesn't score or get an assist in this first
Leandro
half,
Trossard.
he will
Gabriel.
be substituted off.
Oh, that's really well cut out.
Ah! There was someone else in the middle as well.
Must be. He got rid of it, but the ball sent behind.
Okay. Careful with their corners.
It's been delivered.
Okay, good. How can he?
That set up the chance. And there's the first goal
What?
of the match. Deadlock broken.
How?
Well, as you can see, it's really good vision here. Gets his head up, picks out the run, and then strikes it so cleanly with so much force on it. And the keeper just
His
can't
first
get
goal.
there. A
He scores his first goal against us. Wonderful.
Allowed to go a long way with this.
Ah, why?
That's where it ends.
Pass to their front, not just
Right.
in their feet.
Well, they have the lead, and they're happy just to play keep ball.
Yeah, they are. They have been doing that the entire game.
Leandro Trossard.
Ball control, mate. How?
Aaron Wan-Bissaka. On to Odegaard.
There is no one
Declan Rice. Still
getting
looking for that
in their
final pass
neck.
to open it up. Off the crossbar.
There is no one.
It's a shame for them as the move breaks down.
Well, they're unlucky not to be 2 up. It's a decent effort as well. The advantage you just think.
The keeper off the post and danger averted.
What?
Odegaard.
Okay, Saka is a small guy. Don't get me wrong. But he just wins a header of
Odegaard.
someone who
Gyökeres.
is taller than him.
Arsenal with the ball again.
Shoot.
Right.
I thought Emega was faster than that.
Gyökeres. Ball lost and the chance gone.
Yeah, I like the approach play, but just lacked that final pass, didn't they?
The anticipation rising with this move. This to be level. And it's been seen and stopped.
That is a fair penalty.
But no booking this time.
No booking.
He should have got one, you know.
Jeez, I could have scored there. Matistel takes the penalties as well. Okay, what? Why are we watching in...
This to level it up. And he does
Boom.
the job from the spot.
Matistel.
Well, if you watch this again, his body position doesn't give anything away. And the
Boom.
goalkeeper can't read where he's going.
Lovely penalty. Okay, 1-1.
It's a real tie.
It's a draw so far.
Leandro Trossard. Now with Gravenberch. On to Rice.
I haven't seen our Spanish midfielder. He was invisible.
Leandro Trossard.
I've seen Molero,
This is mesmerizing to watch.
so don't
Such
per
good
se need to
possession.
substitute
But
him.
it was a build-up with no end product.
What? Ha! Yeah. Oh, there he is, Guerra.
Gravenberch.
I think he heard me, claiming he was invisible.
Leandro Trossard. On to Rice. Gabriel. Sloppy in possession from Arsenal. Still level, but this attack could see that changing. Good cross into the middle. And the attack breaks down.
Oh, sniffed out the danger well there. Not like a real promising attack.
And that will do it for the first half here at West Ham. And he's asked plenty of questions of the back line. Certainly been difficult to contain.
Well, it's all about moments in games, and he stepped up to find the equaliser.
Okay, 1-1. As I said, he didn't do a thing, which can happen. Haraldson comes in. Who else do I want to? I think Greenwood. Put Greenwood there. On
We're back underway. 45
Emenga's
more minutes
position.
to come.
the next to be substituted is Guerra,
Gabriel.
because I don't think he is.
Leandro Trossard.
I do like the thing that there are bubbles here, as in
Norman.
the song
Played
from
to
West Ham,
Gabriel.
blowing bubbles.
Rice.
But
Given away by Arsenal. Declan Rice. Odegaard. Gravenberch. Great rhythm. There's a real flow to this. But maybe one pass too many and they
Again.
lost it. Decent looking attack this. Arsenal have a corner now. Could get themselves in front with the right ball in.
okay, Trossard is getting substituted off for Madueke. Oh god. His left foot is so good. Yeah, handball.
A bit too eager there. Free kick
Bit
given.
too eager. They just shoot and it happens to go on my hand and it's... Can't help it, right?
What a cool bit of defending.
Oh, he was so alert there. Read the situation well.
And your complete coverage of the Premier League continues here on EA TV as West Ham face Crystal Palace. Another one for your viewing diary. This for the lead. Oh, he saved it.
Well, he's denied a certain goal there. Fantastic reflexes.
Was a good attack.
Over it comes. Firm contact. Decent delivery. That was a big one.
Yeah, I was an offside, okay. I'm going to substitute Guerra for Lewis Skelly. Okay, that was offside.
West Ham are going to make a change now.
We are. Okay, Greenwood.
Noni Madueke. Rice. Arsenal showing good width now. Oh, nice vision in that pass. cross in. This could be dangerous. Terrific chance. Crucial defending. Over to Alex Scott now. She's got a goal at Man City to report.
It's a goal from Manchester City. They've scored the opener here with 60 minutes played.
Nice one, Alex. Thank you. Real chance. Good stop, and more importantly, away from danger. Not so much given away as cleverly won.
Yeah, he was on to that before it did.
Yeah, that was a pretty good attack as well, again.
Under a fair bit of pressure here. And the chance slips away.
What? Come on, Lewis Kelly.
Gyökeres. Declan Rice. And the very best of the Premier League keeps on coming for you on EA TV as Arsenal face Brentford. That's one surely not to be missed.
Yeah, it should be a cracker, that. Certainly worth watching.
Saka. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Gravenberch. That's how to play it through.
What?
The press has paid off here.
Why is no one
He's
running
well
with
to keep the ball.
their opponent?
The play just breaking down a little here.
Definitely. It's a real scrap, isn't it? They don't seem to be on the same page, do they?
Saka. Could be something happening for them now. Playing his line.
Yeah.
Taken cleanly and held on to.
Yeah, there was a terrible shot. But
Martin Odegaard. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball.
God.
Aaron Wan-Bissaka.
Oh,
On to Odegaard. Wan-Bissaka. Odegaard. And on to Gravenberch. And the work pays off as they get the ball back. There's a chance for them to go now. It's on there. And there he is. He's doubled up for the day.
oh my God. That was
Well, the speed of the transition is incredible.
That was insane.
And he watches it all the way, then
that was just
puts it
enough
in
power
confidence.
to just tell again.
Starts with very little time left for any more drama.
For any more drama.
There's been a goal at Liverpool. Alex
This is
Scott
drama
has
enough.
Yeah, it's another for Liverpool. They're now behind by 1 with 10 minutes left on the clock.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. Rice. Lenormand. Aaron Wan-Bissaka.
Can't be too.
Well, they certainly still believe this looks promising. But it will now be tidied up and cleared away. Molero.
That could have been
At the final 5.
so good.
Gabriel. Played to Gabriel.
Gabriel played to Gabriel. Okay.
Gravenberch. Promising looking attack building here for Arsenal.
What?
Oh, well set. This to draw level. They might get another go here. And it's kept out. That's why he's in that goal.
What?
Goes on.
How did he take that ball with him? Get the ball out of here.
Gravenberch. And this could be. Corner. And it feels like this has to go in. And there's going to be a change now.
Subimendi comes on now.
It's being delivered.
Okay, that's good.
There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points soup.
Yeah, it was
Two
good.
top teams, two London derbies, if I can say. We have won them. Two of them. Chelsea and Arsenal are
Can you
on.
chat to us for a second about the match?
Everyone did great, except Guerra. I'm not really too keen with him. And Tell is our lucky charm. Apparently,
Thanks very much for speaking to us.
3 goals against Chelsea, 2 goals against Arsenal, which is just in total already 5 in a few games. So yeah, that was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck and see you guys next week. Bye.